Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Ferrari SF90 Stradale and the McLaren 765 LT. We'll dive deep into what makes these incredible machines truly special, examining their groundbreaking power, advanced technology, and unique driving characteristics. Whether you prefer cutting-edge hybrid innovation or raw, track-focused intensity, will help you understand the distinct appeal and differences of each supercar, guiding you to an informed choice. When it comes to sheer power, the Ferrari SF90 Stradale leads with a staggering 1,000 horsepower from its hybrid V8 powertrain. This allows it to rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds. The McLaren 765 LT, while purely gasoline-powered, is incredibly potent with 755 horsepower, hitting 60 miles per hour in a blistering 2.8 seconds. Both offer top speeds exceeding 200 miles per hour. Beyond raw numbers, these cars offer distinct driving experiences. The Ferrari SF90 Stradale, with its advanced hybrid system and all-wheel drive, provides a refined yet incredibly powerful ride, featuring a high-tech, luxurious cabin. In contrast, the McLaren 765 LT is a pure, lightweight, rear-wheel drive machine, designed for maximum driver engagement and track performance, offering a more visceral and raw connection to the road. Considering exclusivity and value, the Ferrari SF90 Stradale typically starts around $500,000, offering cutting-edge hybrid technology. The McLaren 765 LT, with a starting price of about $380,000, is a limited production model, with only 765 units made, enhancing its collector appeal. While both are significant investments, the Ferrari often demonstrates stronger, long-term resale value.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.